The best way to predict your future is to create it. With these lines, I would like to welcome you all back. Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are perfectly fine. Children, I suggest you all to utilize this period in your studies as much as you can. Today we are going to study chapter number 9. The chapter name is Past Continuous Tense. Students, I would like to request you all to open your English grammar books and also pay attention during explanation. This chapter is all about past continuous tense. So before telling you about past continuous tense, you should know something about past tense. Past tense is used to show that an action took place earlier or before this moment in time. Children, the past tense is used to talk about something that started and finished at a definite time in the past. The past tense is a grammatical tense whose function is to place an action or situation in past time. In languages which have a past tense, it thus provides a grammatical means of indicating that the event being referred to took place in the past. It will be more clear with the help of this given example. I ate burger for lunch yesterday. Now, yesterday is telling us something which has happened earlier. So, this is in the past. So, past tense is used to show that an action took place earlier or before this moment in time. Yesterday is in past. So, I ate burger for lunch yesterday is in past tense. Now, students, there are different kinds of past tense, and past continuous tense is one of them. Let's study about past continuous tense in detail. Now look at the screen. The boy wearing blue t-shirt. His name is Arjun. He is a very good table tennis player. When I met him and asked him, Arjun, what were you doing last evening? You all know what was Arjun's reply. His reply was, I was playing a table tennis match last evening. Many people were watching. My mother was standing at one corner. My brother was cheering for me. So this was Arjun's reply, which showed us what was happening last evening. So what actions were happening last evening? Were watching, was cheering, was standing, was playing. Now, all these verbs which show us the action that was happening last evening are in the past continuous tense. As we all know that were working, was cheering, was standing, was playing are all verbs in the past continuous tense because they are showing actions that were in progress in the past. So all the verbs which are in the past continuous tense follow a particular form. What is the form? We use was, were, depending whether the noun or pronoun is singular or plural. And we use the ing form of the base verb in the past continuous tense. So we can say that past continuous describes actions or events in a time before now which began in the past and is still going on at the time of speaking. It means that it refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past, or we can say that it is used to show that an ongoing past action was happening at a specific moment of interruption, or that two ongoing actions were happening at the same time. Now, the rule of past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing plus object. See the example. Child was playing. So here subject is singular. So we have used was. Let's see the second example. Children were playing. So here subject is plural. So we have used were. Now let's see the rules to form affirmative sentence. Subject plus was were plus were first form plus ing. For example, she was cooking all morning. So here she is subject, then was. Cook is were first form. We have added ing. So it became cooking plus object. To form negative sentence, the rule is subject plus was or were plus not plus were first form plus ing. For example, she was not sleeping when he came home. According to this rule, we will just add not after was or were. To form interrogative sentence, the rule is was or were plus subject plus were first form plus ing and then question mark. In this rule, subject will be after was or were and at last we are going to put question mark. Now let's see one example of past continuous tense. Let us read these two sentences. I was walking in the park. Nancy and Tina were walking in the park. Now both the sentences have verbs was walking, were walking, which are formed from the base verb walk. And both these verbs are in the past continuous tense. But we have used was with the singular pronoun I, and here Nancy and Tina are two people. They are in plural. So here we have used were with the ing form of the base verb walk. Now students, it's time to do an activity. You have to do this activity in your rough copy. In this activity, you have to complete the sentence by using the past continuous tense of the verb in brackets. First, I dash when Granny came home. Second, Sarah dashed to her twin brother who lives overseas. Third, it dashed heavily so we did not go outside. Fourth, we dashed to the fence when I fell. 5. They dashed in St. Peter since 1996. That's all for today. Students, I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.